Our next lemony treat is going to be a very simple fresh cucumber, onion, and sesame seed salad. Delicious. I have peeled and sliced one cucumber, just a simple cucumber. I have sliced very, very thinly an eighth of a red onion, that much. I'm going to mix that together. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and a lot of sesame seeds. And this is optional. If you want a little bit of heat, add a few red pepper flakes. And you just mix that together. And you have a perfectly fresh and delicious cucumber salad. Delicious.